Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to fix the Rockstar Games Launcher when it refuses to open or gets stuck on that infinite loading screen. This process is straightforward, so let's jump right into it. The first thing we need to do is ensure a specific Windows service that handles program compatibility is running correctly, as the launcher relies on it. Go to your Windows search bar and type Services, then click to open the app. In the list of services, scroll down until you find one called Program Compatibility Assistant Service. Right-click on it and select Properties. Look at the Startup Type drop-down menu. Make sure you change it to Automatic or Automatic Delayed Start. Click Apply and then check the service status. If the Start button is clickable, click it to run the service. If it's grayed out, click Stop and then Start, or just Restart to refresh it. Click OK and try opening the launcher now. If it's still stuck, your antivirus might be silently blocking the launcher from connecting to the internet. Head back to your search bar and type Windows Security to open the dashboard. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down to the Virus and Threat Protection Settings section and click Manage Settings. Scroll down again until you find Exclusions and click on Add or Remove Exclusions. Click the Add an Exclusion button and select Folder. Navigate to your installation path. Go to This PC, Local Disk C, Program Files x86, Rockstar Games. Select that folder and click Select Folder. This tells Windows to trust the Rockstar Games files completely. Now, if the launcher is corrupt, we need to force it to create fresh configuration files. Open your File Explorer and go to that same path. C, Program Files x86, Rockstar Games. Find the Rockstar Games folder. Right-click it and choose Rename. Add an underscore to the front, for example, _Rockstar Games, so the system ignores it. Next, go to your Documents folder. Find the Rockstar Games folder there and delete it entirely. When you try to run the launcher again, it will essentially reinstall itself fresh. Finally, many users have reported that Microsoft OneDrive causes conflicts because it tries to sync the Rockstar files in your Documents folder while the game is trying to use them. Go to your Settings app and click on Apps, then Installed Apps. Search for OneDrive. Click the three dots next to Microsoft OneDrive and select Uninstall. It sounds drastic, but removing this sync conflict is often the only way to get the launcher working if all else fails. And that's it. You now know how to unstick the Rockstar Games Launcher and get back to your games. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.